In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Smallpdf. If you'd like the interface to match your preferred language, this quick walkthrough will guide you through the exact settings so your choice sticks every time you sign in. Start by opening your web browser and going to smallpdf.com. This is the main site where all the tools live, and it's where we'll adjust your account preferences. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click Login. Signing in is important because your language preference is saved to your profile, ensuring it carries across devices and future sessions. On the Sign In page, click Continue with Google. This option securely connects Smallpdf to your Google account. You'll be taken to Google's account chooser where you can confirm the account you want to use. Click your account to proceed. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you may be returned to Smallpdf automatically after confirmation. After you're back in Smallpdf, check the bottom left corner of the interface and click Account. This opens your profile area, where you'll find settings that control how the site behaves for you. In your profile, click Settings. This is where language, preferences, and other personalization controls are organized. Within Settings, locate the Language section and click Change. You'll see a list of available languages supported across Smallpdf. Browse the list and select the language you want. As soon as you make a selection, the interface updates the wording on menus, tool names, and buttons. In most cases, the change is immediate. If you don't see it right away, a quick page refresh will display the new language. A few quick tips to make this smoother. First, double-check that you're signed in to the correct account before changing anything, since the language is tied to your profile. Second, if you choose the wrong language by accident, don't worry. Return to the same language section and pick the one you intended. Third, if the page looks partially translated or unchanged, refresh the browser or reopen smallpdf.com so the interface can fully reload your preference. And that's all it takes. You've changed the language in Smallpdf in just a few clicks, making the workspace more comfortable and easier to navigate. Pause or replay any part of this video while you follow along, and you'll be set up in under a minute. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Smallpdf in the language that works best for you.